Today's Bible verse comes from Philippians chapter 1, verse 3, King James Version. I thank my God upon every remembrance of you. Philippians 1:3 expresses the Apostle Paul's deep gratitude and love for the believers in Philippi, stating he thanks God upon every remembrance of them. This means every time he thought of them, whether through his own reflection or by hearing news from others, it filled him with thankfulness and prompted him to pray for them with joy because of their partnership in the gospel. Here's a breakdown of the verse. Number 1, thankfulness. Paul's constant thanksgiving was a response to God's blessings, specifically the Philippians' faithful support of his ministry from the time they helped found the church in Philippi until the present. Number 2, partnership in the gospel. Their support was a form of partnership in the work of the gospel, even when Paul was in prison. Number 3, joyful prayer. The remembrance of their faithfulness and generosity brought him joy, prompting him to pray for them with deep affection and encouragement. Amen.